Alright, this is how you get free money and free snacks from a vending machine. Now, just so you know, it has to be the same model and make of the vending machine in order for this to work. So what you do is you press the numbers 1, 5, 5, 7, 9, 5. Now you wait a couple seconds, and as you can see, the machine is not opened. It is closed. See down here, nothing in there. I've got 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. You start, put the money in there. 25, 50, and as you see, they're dropping down in here. 50, 75, and $1. So now you go down here. 4 quarters. Now, put those 4 in there again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at the end, take your money out. 4 quarters. Now pick your snack. I'm gonna pick B6. There's B6. Down goes the snack. 4 quarters. You got your $2. And you got your free snack. There you are. Follow me on Instagram, David_0491. Thank you. Goodbye.